All right, guys, let's talk about what stocks we're going to be watching on Monday, November 3rd for possible day trade setups. Let me remind everybody that this is all about a video of in-play stocks, right? Recent high relative volume, preferably due to news. And for me, those are the ones you want to focus on if you're a day trader, right? To give the best intraday opportunity. So keep that in mind as you watch the video. And it's going to be short and sweet. SLDP had nice news. I think it was Thursday night after hours, and kind of played out pretty nicely on Friday. Pretty strong close, really good volume. Certainly could have a follow-through day, so it deserves to be on the list. BFLY. I'm going to go out a year here to see how much different it looks than 6 months. A little bit better. You kind of have this inverse head and shoulders here, and it's trying to break it to the upside. Nice volume. So we're going to watch that one. On Monday, IRWD, also kind of near a breakout, right? EBS, I like the breakout on Thursday and the quiet inside day on Friday. And one thing I like even a little better is that it topped on Friday at the whole number 13. We love whole number breaks. And if we get that break, we've got 1341 just above, which would be Thursday's high, as another potential domino to fall, if you will, right? RANI had a big rip, almost round tripped, and then had a really nice pop on Friday. We're going to watch that one to see if that continues. It did go up in after hours to 274, so certainly worth keeping on watch. Whoops, I typed that wrong. LAES kind of had this big, let's see, almost a 1 year cup and handle forming, right? But it's really kind of coiled here. And we're going to watch for a possible upside break. QS had a big day on Friday, and the most recent high, 1907, nice volume on Friday. That one maybe is set to break out to new highs. We'll see. DXYZ, kind of a sleeper pick, but had a nice pop here, sideways for a while, and it's starting to curl back up. OPEN. Pretty popular name out there, right? It had a really nice run here, and it's putting in a nice flag on the daily candles here. And it's getting pretty coiled, so we're going to watch that one this week. CABA, big volume on Friday and a strong close. Might be something going on there and could give a follow-through day. A couple more. DVLT goes back on Bounce Watch. It was my favorite stock. Let me see if I can't get Friday's candle out of it. Yeah, so it was my favorite stock going into Friday. I liked it as a potential bounce play. Anyway, didn't matter because a short report came out on it and really kind of decimated it. But at the end of the day, you still had a really nice move here, a nice secondary move here, and now you've got 5 days in a row down. And from what I saw on the news, they did come out and refute the short report and maybe even threaten a lawsuit from what I can tell. Anyway, this one is still a decent setup for a bounce. It's had a big move, and then you got 5 days in a row and kind of a big range day on Friday. To me, this has some room to bounce. So I still like it as a bounce play. And then I'm going to put FI back on watch on Bounce Watch as well. Pretty beaten up stock. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the pre-market, and we'll find some good gappers to add to this list. And let's have a great week coming up.